Hey everybody, now we're going to take a look at how the scoring works in Google Rubric. So I'm going to go down to my student porthole, and as a student I clicked on my assignment. I should go back there. There it is. And you can see the rubric pops up on the student side as well, and they can expand out those criteria. So they'll see the rubric again before they submit the assignment. They can also just roll over the criteria for a summary of the descriptions and the points. So you want to make those as clear as possible. So here I'm going to open the assignment. I've pasted my assignment in there. My response is ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it in. And I can even put a private comment like that. Hope you enjoy. Because, the students want us to have a good time as we're scoring their writing as much as we want to have a good time reading it. So I'm going to send that private comment. A lot of times students use this to tell me about something they want me particularly to look at, or if they had a problem with the assignment. So now I'm going to go back over to my teacher side, go back to my assignment, and there's one turned in. So let me click on that. And there's the student's assignment with all the information that's with it. That private comment will show up here in my email, and it'll tell me that they attached a comment to that particular assignment. Now, to do my scoring, down here is my rubric off to the side. It's got my criteria quickly summarized with the name and the points. And you can just click on this and it'll score at 1. You'll notice up here it totals it as well. On this completion one, however, I don't remember what I said in the rubric. So I can click on this arrow and expand it and see all of my choices. This is well done. Shrink that back up. This one had that. And then this one I knew by heart. And then I'll put my comments. And I usually put feedback in here. You need to work on complete sentences. Let's chat. Oops. I'll post my comment to the assignment. Now, just be aware, when you do that, it's not finished yet. That's just posting that comment. Up here, you see Google Rubrics has tabulated my total. I don't need to do anything else with that. And then I'm going to click the assignment and return it to this particular student. And I'm going to go back over to our student side. And this is then what they will see. They get the assignment back. You'll see over here is our comment to the student, and then they can expand the rubric and they can see specifically where they scored or did not score points on that particular assignment. And there you have it. That is what scoring looks like on Google Rubrics. I found that it's very fast to be able to do this and to be able to score quite a bit of written information using the rubric. You can also, if you need to, you can do like any Google Doc. If there's something specific you want to call attention to, you can still click in and add specific comments in addition to this. I like your word use. And then when you go over to the student side, they will have that in their comments as well on the assignment. So that's a way if you need to put some specifics in there, or you use the rubric and score, but you want to point out a specific example of something, you can use comments. And that's it for scoring using the rubric. In the last video, we'll talk about sharing rubrics between teachers.